Look it, look, 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 look.
What the fuck? How do you see that?
That's what I'm saying. That's something that's not normal, Jaden. So I have to zoom in, and then you see just that one dot right there. But look at that purple thing. It was moving around.
You only can see it through your phone.
Watch the whole move. Because it was in the trees.
Just gonna shoot us.
Yeah, on the pillow. On your side of the bed.
So this switch, this?
Yeah, the lock mechanism. Oh, God, turn it all apart.
Oh,
What the fuck? Look at this.
Oh, so
This thing was in the trees.
what?
Come look at my screen.
Hold on.
This thing was hovered in the middle of the trees and it moved over to there.
Get the dog some food and water. She won't eat her food. Yes, she will. Just put it in her bowl and then get a hold of it. I don't want her to
Holy shit, it's still there even with the light on.
What are you doing?
Look at this.
Recording.
Look, what do you notice? The purple orb is gone. Ain't that weird? And I believe that window wasn't see-through before it was lit up. But no purple orb. I mean, there's cars parked down there. Let's see if I can get a better picture. It just goes dark. But no purple orb above the house. Now it's more in front of the house. Weird, right? That's the type of weird shit that's been going on. For anyone that follows my channel, there will be a video that drops on Friday. I think it's February 3rd. I'd have to look at the calendar. I believe it is February 3rd. Because I have a case coming up on the 7th. So, on February 3rd, a lot of the truth comes out.